Careview is a proprietary communications platform owned by Team Postop. Team Postop is a fully licensed and bonded provider of durable medical equipment, medical supplies, and orthotics, servicing the state of Florida since 2007. Careview is a comprehensive point-of-care solution which optimizes the injured workers' care plan among the various providers like physicians, therapists, NCM, adjuster, ancillary service team, DME providers, and so on. Careview's HIPAA-compliant platform allows for real-time administrative and clinical updates, data review responses and requests, access to the patient's reported outcomes such as DASH and KOOS. Careview, upon request, can accommodate additional providers onto its network. In 2021, Careview brings to you the state-of-the-art mobile applications in Android and iOS for the complete patient survey. Careview application allows the patient data to be entered into the system using the patient creation form. The data includes information about the product and its status from pending delivery to delivered for both rental as well as purchase. Once the patient downloads the Careview app from the App Store or Google Play, they will be using their first name and mobile number to authenticate their registered account with Careview. The patient will move on to the next stage of authentication, where they will be asked to enter a one-time passcode, which will be validated with the server information to identify the patient as registered on the master database. After successful verification, the patient can create their own password and log into the app using their mobile number and the created password. Immediately after logging into the app, the user will be presented with a pop-up on their home screen with the products that are delivered or marked as pending delivery on the Careview application. Once the products are delivered, the users will receive a push notification on their mobile app to confirm the receipt of the delivery. Depending on the user's injured joint and the different protocols, the user will be presented with a list of surveys on their app that needs to be completed on a weekly, bi-weekly, or on a monthly basis. Once the user receives the survey list, they can start taking each survey by clicking on the Start button. Once the user clicks on the survey link, they will be shown the instructions for that survey and a Next button to continue with the questions. Upon clicking Next, they will be able to see the list of questions that are provided on the survey with multiple choice answer types to choose based on their current health condition. Once they complete the first section, they can continue with the remaining questions by clicking on the radio buttons as applicable. Once they have successfully responded to the survey questions, they can click on Submit to review their evaluated score. Once they have received the score, they can either move on to take the next survey or exit the section. The survey page will store the survey results along with the incomplete survey listings for the user to follow through with their responses. They can also click on the Survey Results tab to find out the survey that was previously submitted. The responses to the previously submitted surveys is also stored for anytime access. By clicking on each survey, it will display the user's previous responses. The protocol menu allows the user to access the list of protocols that has been allocated by the clinician. The details of these protocols for different assigned products is also displayed. It also shows the frequency per day and minutes per day for each exercise. These protocols are updated into the app automatically as and when the clinician changes them on the Careview portal. The users will be notified immediately if a new protocol has been updated. The Message Center allows the user to send messages to the Careview administrators for any kind of app-related questions. The Message Center also stores the messages that went out as a communication to the administrators. All responses from the admin is stored and displayed, thereby maintaining a continuity and also a personal touch. The pull-down feature allows the user to refresh the page without logging out of the app. Any new message from the administrator will have a new message tag on the app for notification purposes. The More section on the app allows the user to edit their profile, update mobile number, and email addresses. The user can also update their state and zip if any of the demographics have changed. The changes would also update the master database. The user also has the option to pick their choice of language to be either English or Spanish. The heart of the Careview app holds the fact that now the surveys can be done independently by the users at every point. The data collected in the Careview portal can be accessed for further review and analysis by the clinicians. This makes the overall process more efficient, optimized, maintains privacy, and above all, enhances the overall patient experience. Thank you for watching.